That moment when you realize your gaming habit is actually taking care of your mental health. Gaming isn't just entertainment, it's therapy in disguise. When we play, our brains release dopamine, naturally reducing stress and anxiety. But here's what's really amazing: games literally rewire our brains for the better. They sharpen problem solving skills, boost memory, and enhance focus. It's like a gym membership for your mind. And let's talk about connection. Gaming brings people together across continents, building real friendships and teaching teamwork. In our digital world, these virtual bonds create genuine relationships. So next time someone says gaming is a waste of time, remind them you're actually investing in your mental health, brain power, and social skills all at once. Like, follow, and subscribe for more random content that'll brighten your day. Have a great day, everyone. Stay safe out there.